welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a product haul slash unboxing slash, yeah, that's pretty much all it is. A haul and an unboxing, and I was gonna do two separate videos, but I had too much to do. Like, I have a little bit more than probably should fit in one video, but I have too little for two videos. So we're gonna combine them all together. And also my battery's low, so we're gonna try and get this done before my battery goes dead. Okay. All right, so let's first start with the items that I purchased. All right, first items that I purchased, actually I should already have a review up on my channel, so I'll link it below, but it's the new SHEA Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Balancing Conditioner, the shampoo, as well as the Pre-Shampoo Scalp Scrub. So like I said, I should already have a video up on this, so I will link it below, but I picked those bad boys up from Target. I'm trying to film when my battery is about to die. Lance, my battery's gonna die. Come on, Bukas. Thank you, Buka. All right. So anyways, like I was saying, I picked those up from Target, and there are two more items from that line. There's a scalp tonic as well as the purification mask, but I couldn't find those in Target, in like any Target, and I searched like 3, so yeah. The next place I went, oh, this is a SHEA Moisture show. The next place I went was Ulta, and I also was able to pick up a new line. And if you saw my like new product launches video, you'll know what this is. But this is the new SHEA Moisture Head in the Clouds line, and I couldn't find all the items there. I only found 3. I don't know what's going up, you know, on with this. But anyways, look at this packaging, you guys. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner, and they are foam. Now this is geared towards, like, supposed to be lighter than air, volumized, lift, hydrated. So I don't know how this is gonna work on my hair, but I'm excited to try it. But I have an inclination that this might be getting returned, you know? So yeah, it says cleanse and nourish, and this one is hydrate and lift. So the shampoo says cleanse and nourish, the conditioner says hydrate and lift, and the coconut and cactus water pump me up volumizing spray is to uplift and boost. And all of these have blue agave, which okay, you know, I guess agave comes in blue, like Kentucky bluegrass, like that. We're gonna stop there. You know what, I haven't smelled these yet. I'm curious how they smell. Let's see. Ooh. They smell kind of like perfumey and fruity at the same time. I'm here for it and I like it. So like I said, I picked those up from Ulta, and don't worry, I will be reviewing those, so don't you guys worry a hair off your pretty little heads. So I'm going to be reviewing those. Like I said, the black soap one's already up. That one's next, so that'll probably be up next Tuesday. All right, so yeah. All right, the next item that I picked up, and these are from Target as well, and I mentioned these in my product launch video as well, and I was mistaken. I thought there were 4 new masks, but really they just took their deep treatment mask, the one that they already had out, and put it in this little like packaging. So there's only 3 new masks, and these are from CANTU, and this one is the Deep Nourishing Hair and Scalp Mask with Roswell Clay. This one is the Clarify and Renew Hair and Scalp Mask with Bentonite Clay, and this one is the Sweat Protection Style Saver. I'm most intrigued about this because what are you even supposed to do with this? Okay. What? Allowed to lather? Oh my gosh, massaging the hair. Oh, it says and allow 10 minutes to absorb. Exercise, swim, and sweat as usual. But what does that mean? I don't know. This one says apply the hair beginning at the ends and work towards the root. Follow on the areas closest to the scalp. Massage into hair and allow 10 minutes to absorb. Exercise, swim, and sweat as usual. So I'm just gonna, I don't know. I need to try this before I go to the pool and see if it like saves my hair from feeling like it's in shambles after that chlorine. So which one of these are you most excited to see me try? Comment down below, and that is the one that I will try first from this line. It's the sweat one. That's what you're most intrigued about. All right, I picked these up from Target. All right, next, this is the kind of PR portion slash unboxing portion. Somebody, my mother, already opened this box, so I already know what's in it. And this was from SHEA Moisture. And it's actually their coconut and hibiscus line, which I don't know if I've mentioned it like only a million times on my channel, but that's my favorite line from them. That's the OG line. That's the line that introduced me to Shea Moisture. So they sent me the shampoo, which I have used before, but it's been years and I honestly can't even remember. I remember liking it, but I've tried so many since then, like, do I still like it? So let me know if you want to see this line reviewed. I've never reviewed this line on my channel other than just the Smoothie and the Deep Treatment Mask, or whatever that mask is called. It's amazing, by the way. But let me know if you want to see me try these on camera and I will review them. Next is the Curl and Style Milk, which I tried this, but it was a long time ago. I can't remember how I felt about it. Next one is, I have not used this. This is the Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Does this actually like hold your hair? It says it's anti-frizz, moisture, and shine. It's for thick curly hair. So I'm assuming it smells like the rest of the line. Yes, it does. It smells like summer and happiness and tax refunds. All right. I mean, we're not gonna talk about the government shutdown. But yeah, so you just spray. Okay, child, you say it does that. Spray liberally through damp hair from roots to end. Use a wide tube comb to distribute evenly. Style as desired. Use on dry hair to refresh style. Okay. Next item is the conditioner. Again, try this. For the life of me, can't remember how I feel about it. Oh, well, you know, a girl can always use the Smoothie. You know, this is an OG of mine. Next is the, oh my gosh, I don't even think I knew they had this. This is a co-wash. It says Curl Moisture Co-Wash. I think I do want to review this for you guys because I didn't even know they had a co-wash for this line. And I'm kind of like, meh, when it comes to co-washes. So, let me know if you want me to try this. And I will, which I'm probably going to do it anyway. But still, let me know. And this I definitely want to try because I used to love a good mousse back in the day. And this is a mousse and it comes in like the nice pump that, like, not the like aerosol type mousse, you know what I'm talking about. So this one is interesting. This more seems like more like a wrap foam instead of a mousse. So I do want to try this because I feel like it's going to do nothing for my hair, but I could be wrong. But I feel like I'm just going to be disappointed with this product. So I don't know, I like torturing myself, I think. So yeah, divide hair and apply 2 to 3 pumps. Girl, stop. I need like 7 pumps per section. So the last item, I hope I'm not moving too fast. Okay, we haven't been filming that long enough, but not too long. The last item, this is from Marc Anthony, and luckily I don't know what's in here because no one got to it before I did to open it. Like, don't your family members know that opening mail is like illegal if it's not your mail? Apparently black parents don't know that. Probably should start getting shit to my own house. That's on me. Oh, this is cute. Marc Anthony hair care. Oh, this is from the oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, you know, I just posted a video on the Strictly Curls line, and oh, I can't remember whose comment it was. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I want to say her name again with the C. She has like a cute purple top on in her Abby, or like maybe it's like mauve, or maybe it's pink. I don't know. It's like a cute lilac-y color. I just named like 4 different shades. But anyway, she was saying that I needed to use the mask, and I think this is what this. No, it's not. It's not even the mask. Wait, so why do they have different coconut oil? I'm so confused. So they sent me a coconut oil last time, but it was in different packaging, and this one is the Smoothie Cream, which let's see if it has that like kind of lemony smell. Ha! My camera battery died, but I noticed it. They can't hold me back. Remember, I think we were talking about the Smoothie Cream and me thinking that they sent me the deep conditioner because I didn't know what the packaging looked like. That's where we were in this video. Anyways, I think this one smells like lemon pleasure. No, I'm not. Nope. Oh, something smells like this, but what is it? I feel like I've had like a Tresemme conditioner that kind of smells like that. Or maybe I just made that up in my head. But this one is the Smoothie Cream. And I was reading the back of it. It says you can use it on twist out. So, yeah, if you want me to try this on camera, let us just know. I'm still trying to figure out why this, like, what is different about this coconut oil when they both just say that it's coconut oil. Why are you different? You know what I'm talking about in the other packaging? Hold on, I'll show you if you don't know what I'm talking about. Hold please. The other coconut oil may or may not be in my basement, and I'm not venturing all the way down there because I'm upstairs right now. So we're just gonna pretend that you know what I'm talking about. And Yeah, but I don't understand why the packaging's different. It's bothersome to me. And the last item is the Curl Control Styling Jelly. It says long lasting definition and flexible hold. I wonder how this compares to that like lotion that they had. It feels like a little, it's a little thick. Little thicker. That's where it smells like very woodsy, but also like lemon. So, apply small amounts to your hands, work through hair, twist curls around your finger. Oh, okay, we're doing finger coils. Okay, they want us to do finger coils with this. Yeah. So anyways, that was the last item. I hope I didn't rush through that too much. I was trying to rush through it and my battery died because I wanted to get through before my battery died, but I didn't achieve that feat. So it was all for naught, or maybe not. Not as in N-A-U-G-H-T. Not. Also not K. Girl, we're not about to do this. We are not doing all this wordplay and homophones today. Alright, so anyways, I hope this was, I don't know how informational it was for you. I just showed y'all some products, but comment below what you want to see me review next, with the exception of the Head in the Cloud shampoo, because that's going up on Tuesday. So with all the other products that I have, let me know what you want to see next. And I think I said Head in the Cloud shampoo. I meant the whole line that I just showed. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below with your request, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye guys. Dash, say bye, Puka. Dash, dash, dash. Hi, say bye. Say bye, Pookie. He's not gonna do it. So bye.